What is going on? This is going to be my fourth video, and today I'm making a Minecraft Pocket Edition helicopter. Does not have to be in Pocket Edition, can be in any server you guys want it to be in. Let's get that started. By the way, I did make one final more tank, and the inside I did a little bit more different in here. Now this one, I know that I added kind of something that looks a little bit like this. I don't know if you guys like that idea, but I kind of like it because this can be a little table conference area, and they got this as a little fold-up table, which is pretty neat. So I think I like that interior a little bit better. It's really helpful. So let's get started on the helicopter. I have another comment below that said I wanted a helicopter on that remix song that I made. Well, I didn't make it, but that I played, and they wanted a helicopter, so I'll get that started for them. Okay, let me just place down a bed over here. Sorry, my fault. Oh, okay, we're glitching. Alright, guys. So, you want a helicopter, right? I mean, I can make one easily. I'm just gonna get it started for you guys then. Basic materials you guys are gonna want to have are some normal limestone clay, stone slab, wool, stone brick stairs, sign, black wool, wooden trapdoor, ladder, iron bars. But you guys at the moment won't really need wool or black wool. And I don't know why I have it there. But, okay, you know what? Let's use the black wool. Because I used to use it like that, where I use it for a wheel, and I extend it out, watch. So let's make a front. Here we go. Our front beginning is going to have a total of one black wool in the bottom, iron bar, one green stained clay, and then you're going to have 3 across from behind it. Then you're going to do another back left diagonal. You're going to keep it like that, and you're just going to make it look a little bit more like an old retro game looking figure. Let's extend it back about 2, 3, 4. Let's set out 4 right now. And then let's add a second line on the side right here. Right here. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th one, you're gonna have one coming out. You just match it all up. Do it one more time, actually, just so let's see how big it gets. I like that shape a lot. So let's go in the bottom, and we're gonna come around right around here. So we're gonna go in from one diagonal to the middle right here. Let's just place one down. It's an iron bar. If that's just one over from there, we could just do one right there next to it. Alright, so pretty sick. Did not mean to cut the grass. Let's get rid of that grass because I always have to have perfect grass near me. There we go. Our wheels. Then we're going to start subtracting the backup. If you guys don't know what subtracting the backup means, we're just going to start adding smaller shape toward the back. Just like this. And then soon enough we'll get a figure that looks like that. So you might just wanna, I'll let you guys pause the video and you guys can easily just look at that. I'll look at the side view right here. Cool. Okay, so let's get started. You guys are gonna wanna have this come up by 1. Let's close in that shape right there. Let's take this all the way a little bit straight. And then let's up these gaps. But, what if I did something like this, where I up these gaps by 1, like that, and just had the bars holding on to the edge, so that when you jump off, or that's kind of like the ledge for the door, just have it like this. There we go. That's a good little shape. And then we're actually in the ends right here. You're going to want to add one up, just like that. And let's change out that black wool now for some glass. Close in all the figures right there. And keep that shape open, just like that. Okay. Then we're going to bring this back. And it's going to become just one height. So it's going to deform to just one height like that. And then you're going to go an upright diagonal. Straight out. Another upright diagonal, straight out, another upright diagonal. Actually, let's just keep it like that. Okay, now that you have that. Okay. So now let's just close in the roof. We are now going to add one line of sand clay. We're actually just going to close in that. If you guys want, you can keep that open. Just going to do this all the way across, and you can do that to the front. You're going to add one right here. You're going to go one across, just like that. And then once you have that, let's do the middle really quickly. Alright guys, this is the finished product. of the helicopter right after I do this. You guys are all completely set. Have fun on building and keep on building and never quit and have lots of fun in Minecraft. This has been DX, your boy. See y'all next time to my next video. Peace out.